Karon guys, we're talking about probability. What is probability? Probability is the measure of likelihood that an event will occur. It ranges from 0 possible event to 1 certain event. There are different types of probability. Number 1, classical probability, based on equally likely outcomes. Number 2, empirical probability, based on experimental event and data. Number 3, subjective probability, based on intuition or personal judgment. Number 4, conditional probability, probability of an event given that another event has occurred.
So hi guys, ako rin si Butchan Quintano. Ako na si Puntrias Mark Eben as actor. Nagkaroon na magawa na about probability. Let's go! Ulog na lang ito! Pero, masa, mas legit. Bawal lang na siya. Hindi na mapit. So, karon guys, as you can see, na-do ka bangko na reglarisa. So, dili na may magbuhat sa among games. Among games, kay bunot-bunot. So, na po kapapel nga nakasod sa box. So, 50-50 na kung makuha na mga mong gusto. So, bato sa labo. Guys, narada yung papel among gimo. So, karon guys, marami gimo sa among bunot-bunot. So, among na yung games. So, karon guys, bunot ako. Huwag katulo. Wala lang ako nabutan ng juice. Sunod, lollipop. Sunod, spaghetti. So, si Puntilya na lang. Ako na yung sunod, magbunot guys. Ako nabutan kay hotdog. Kadua. Corn dog. Katulo. Pan. Muna guys, tulo na ako nabunot. So karon guys, bane yung kantin, palito ni namo among nabunutan. So tara. Palito na naman mag-gusto na ito.
Bawang ulit ha.